Hey guys, I'm Michael Nitz, the Redneck Hybrid, and welcome back to Restoration Nation. So today, we're going to be doing some work on the KSC, which was, the tractor that got me started on making these videos. I want to pull the head off of it so we can actually see how badly it's seized up, because I know this thing's frozen. It's been sitting for about 5 months in here with a mixture of diesel, fuel, ATF, automatic transmission fluid, and I believe it was called Mystic, or is like Marvel Mystery Oil or something like that. I can't remember, and I don't know where the bottle is, so I can't show you. But it was, I believe it was like fuel injector cleaner or something like that. I don't remember exactly. I'd have to look it up again, and I don't feel like doing that right now. But so hopefully we can have that while that's sitting here, it has loosened this up. I tried bumping the starter down here the other day, but I wasn't getting anywhere. But that doesn't mean it's still frozen. It could just be that the starter is shocked, which wouldn't surprise me. And unfortunately, I don't have the crank for this tractor. The guy I bought it from, he still has yet to find it. When he finds it, he'll give it to me at one of our meetings because he's a member of my club. And so yeah, we're just gonna take the head off and see how clean it is. I was already planning on doing it anyways because I want to redo those valves because one of them was stuck. So I'm gonna need to regrind that valve to get a good seal. You'll see that eventually in another video later on. But yeah, let's get to it and try taking this head off. I'm gonna apologize for the background noise right now. My friends are currently harvesting on the fields, so you might hear a bit of the noise from them. So I'm sorry, but they're actually farming, so. What size is that going to be about? Should have cleaned this out before I started working on. And I can barely see here. Ooh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I need to take this off so I can actually get this off because this is in the way of the bolts here. So I need the exhaust manifold off before I can try taking the head off. Also got to take off the water pump here. And I'm probably not going to finish this today, but it's the start, and then I'll probably come back and finish it tomorrow. And I cannot see. Hang on, I need you guys to be my light. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I do got 4. Okay. Let's see that one. Almost. Combine's unloading. Here it is. Probably supposed to take the battery box off to do this, but I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna go grab a wrench. Oh, well, it came off. I think I'm gonna have to actually take off the front end of this entire thing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to. Dang it. So this is what was there. This is what's supposed to be there. Okay. Now we got that off. Let's take this off. And maybe can we pull this off? There we go. And there we go. I gotta say, I'm still really happy with how the tin is on this thing, because on a lot of tractors, I mean, these are vehicles used for work. You're gonna find a lot of bent up tin, but this thing has really straight tin, so I'm still happy about that. All right. Huh. Wonder what that is. Okay, let's see. Now we want to get this radiator off, probably. Okay, do we need to? Let's take a look. Shall we? We have not there, not there. So the idea here is to only take apart what we need and not take apart too much. You know, not create more work for ourselves later. I think we might just have to take the radiator out separate from this. I have a feeling that's what we're gonna have to do. So that means I gotta remove these three and these braces here as well. Alright, there's one. Oh no, I don't need to take out these braces. Okay, I need them. Good. There's two. There's 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Is this? Oops, that's so loose now. See, can I pick it up at all? Yes, I can. I might just be able to slide this out. If I can find the lower coolant intake. Where are you? I can't see anything. All right, you guys are gonna become my eyes here. Let's see. Oh, there it is, right there at the bottom. All right. Do you guys see it right there? Yeah, you guys see it. There that arrow clamp is. Right there above my finger. It'll focus. Camera. There you go. See it? The fun part is I gotta get my hand in there to get to that. So, let's see, we got space over here. Oh, actually, let's just take the easy way and just take it off right there. Okay, so we're off there. Problem is that lower coolant intake. I cannot get to it very easily. Oh, if only I could get to that arrow seal clamp, this would already come off, but I can't get my hand in there to really get to it. Where is it even? I can't even feel it. Nope, I can't get my hand in there. Come on. Ah. Why are there so many arrows? What the? I didn't ever realize this. Look at that. Look how many arrow seal clamps are on this hose. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Why are there so many arrow seal clamps on this? You only need 2. Let's see. Can I just set you guys here and you guys see? Yep. All right, there you go. Now you guys have an angle. What I'm doing. Oh, this clip's gonna be fun to edit. All right. Okay, there's that one. Now for this one on this side, which is a bitch to get to. Ugh. Of course, the shrouding blocks it. All right, where's my wrench? Oh, of course, this side is smaller. Why wouldn't it be? Oh, this is gonna take a while. And now we should be able to, there we go. She is removed. One alternator removed. So the next little bit was just me trying to take off the lower radiator hose. And honestly, I didn't get good shots of it, so I just decided to skip it all, and we're skipping to this part. So here we go. Okay, after a little deliberation, I was able to figure out that I can actually reach the bolts that were on the backs of these ones here, or the nuts that were on the backs of these bolts. So I'm just gonna take those off now. I don't feel like filming the whole process, so I'll see you in a cut. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so after about a half an hour of arguing with wrenches, I think I finally got this. And I dropped the phone. Of course.